Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to recover disabled Facebook account. So let's get into it. Number 1. Review Facebook Statement of Rights and Responsibilities for users. These are Facebook's terms of use for the site. Ensure that you did not violate any of these rules as a Facebook user. Number 2. Review Facebook's community standards. This is a general list of the kinds of behavior and content Facebook doesn't allow on its site. Ensure that you didn't engage in any conduct or post any content that violated these standards. Number 3. Contact Facebook by visiting the Facebook Help Center. To do this, open Facebook. Tap the three horizontal lines in the top right of Facebook. In the drop-down menu, click Help and Support. Under Help and Support, click Help Center and type in Disabled in the search field. Click My personal Facebook account is disabled from the drop-down menu that appears. Scroll to the paragraph just above the What can I do if my account has been disabled? Click the Use this form to request a review link in the paragraph to navigate to the Facebook contact form for disabled profiles. Fill in the form including any details about why you believe Facebook has wrongly disabled your account. Click the blue Send button beneath the form to submit it. Facebook will contact you once it has made a decision about your account. So that's all for this video, guys. If this video was helpful, please give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out our new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.